What is going on YouTube? Steven, the Salon Guy here, and I'm excited to announce that this is the start of my 5 days a week of posting videos. And the reason I'm doing this is because, one, I have a passion for sharing information. Two, you guys want to see more. And three, I love making content. And I've got a really unique strategy. I want to grow my channel. I want to turn my channel basically almost into like a TV network, where each time I'm posting something, it's like watching a new series or a new show. And I've been doing media for many, many years. I've worked with some major brands. I filmed like at the Oscars, Mercedes-Benz Fashion Week, Victoria's Secret Fashion Show, and the list goes on and on of things that I've done. And I want to incorporate what I've learned into my channel more and more. That's why I want to do 5 days a week. Yes, it's going to be more work, but I'm an entrepreneur. Like I'm used to, I used to work 7 days a week, and now I work 6 days a week, sometimes 7. So I'm used to the grind and I can handle it. But I really appreciate your support and come along with me on this journey. Now, today's video is going to be very interesting because I'm going to give myself, yes, myself, even though I have an undercut right now, I'm just so sick of growing this hair out. I haven't grown my hair out in so long, and all this hair underneath is growing in really it's just not the same texture like it used to be. It's a little bit kind of wiry, and I hate it. I'm losing my mind, and but I'm loving the hair on top. So what we're going to be doing is a self undercut. I know it's, I've bashed the undercut in the past before, but at the same time, it's still a great haircut. I've done it on many people throughout my career. There's a lot of advantages to it. So I'm trying to go for like the Brad Pitt Fury look, something like that. Now, for those of you who are commenting, he has hair now, it's time you caught up and watched my videos more regularly, because I videotaped the entire process of me getting this put on my head. So go back about not even a month and just look at my content and you'll see the video transformation of me getting hair. So I'll have a link in the description below of the system that I'm using. Yes, it's a hair system, and this is it's like a prosthetic like people use in Hollywood. And so this right here, let's get up nice and close. So right into this is my scalp. What you can see is my actual scalp. And how this works is each hair was implanted on the base of the prosthetic to make it look like real. It is. This is human hair, 100% human hair. This is pretty much my natural color, and which I picked, and it's literally the perfect color. The issues I've been having is getting, the hairline straight, getting it even. I'm doing this all myself. I'm trying to learn as much as I can on myself because I plan to go big with this, and I want to start doing things no one else is really doing when it comes to these types of procedures. So what I'm going to do today is, you may see some in through here. I want to shave all of this off. We're going like what I used to do when I used to shave my head almost bald. So I'm going to be using a number 5 zeros guard, 5 zeros, which is almost equivalent to skin. And we're just going to get rid of all of this. Now, I am taking a risk because I don't know how this is going to look. I feel okay about it, but I think I'm just going to feel a lot more clean and getting rid of. I mean, look at this. I feel like a friggin' a gorilla. I mean, I've got hair everywhere. I mean, my hair basically goes from my neck straight down. You like how Justin Timberlake says he's bringing sexy back? Well, I'm bringing hairy back because this connects all the way to my damn head. So anyway, let's get started. I know I've been talking a lot, but I want to have some fun with you guys, and let's shave all this off. So I just want you guys to see, this is 5 zeros, and this is on the Titan, the Oster Titan. This is like the old school clipper, like the 76, where you detach the blades like this. But I just want to show you 5 zeros. This is equivalent to it being like skin. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is we're gonna shave all of this off. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna comb all this down in through here, and I separated and clipped this all up. And as you can see, I mean, look how long this is. This is crazy. I haven't had my hair this long on the sides in like, I mean, look at this, in a very, very, very long time. All right, so wish me luck on this. Folks, this is all, you can take a look in through here. See how I have it all sectioned off, and now we're gonna get rid of all this. So I'm hoping that this looks okay. I know it's dramatic. I've been growing this out purposely. Wish me luck. Oh man, look at this. This is crazy. Oh God, it's too late. There's no turning back. There's no turning back, people. All right, so now I'm basically going up to right into here, the very edge of where the hair starts, the longer hair. And I already feel like, oh man. What do you think? How are we looking here? Okay. What I really want to get rid of is this nonsense down at the, look at that. What is that? Now, for people who do their hair themselves, my best advice is that when you're working into this area, you want to go on a downwards motion with the clippers, simply because the hair sometimes grows upwards, right? Sometimes people have a swirl going upwards. So what you want to do is go against the grain to get it as close as possible. All right, so that may have been an issue for some of you guys, but yeah, if you go against the grain, that's how you're gonna get rid of everything. All right, so again, I'm just going right up to where the hair stops here on the sides, and pretty soon I'm gonna get a mirror, and I'm gonna do the back. So let's do this side now. Oh man, this is crazy. Crazy, crazy, crazy. I feel like, yeah, I've literally now turned into a Viking. I look like a damn Viking right now. All right, so now this is the hard part, is making sure, see how this fell down already, this hair? So we're gonna go right up to here, to where the hair separates, which is very tricky. And soon we'll be kind of home free, but I want to show you guys how we're looking here. All right. Okay, so now let's go back over. You know what? I honestly feel so much better, and so I feel like so much cleaner as far as like the sides and stuff. Like, oh man, look at that. I've literally turned into a Viking. All right, now, look at, what is all this? This is all hair. Look how disgusting that is. All right. So if you are doing your own haircut, let me turn this damn thing off. If you're doing a haircut yourself, let's back the camera up. I always suggest using a mirror like this. So now see how I'm looking at the camera in the mirror? It's basically the same thing. So let's turn this back on. I'm gonna hold the mirror. I don't wanna block you guys, so I'm gonna hold it this way. And now I'm just going to work upwards. Again, wanting to make sure that I'm careful that I'm not shaving any of this off. So you can see the hair is coming down already. And what's happening is this is lifting. The back is actually lifting from my normal hair. All right, so it's almost, and also what I've noticed is that my hair, unfortunately, was not as thick in the bottom half as I was hoping it would be, which I was like, this looks really weird. So I'm just gonna get rid of all this. I don't care. You know what? It's my damn hair, just like I tell everybody. It's your hair. Do what you want with it. All right, so I'm gonna do this in real time with you guys because I just wanna make sure that you are all following along, and I do wanna make sure that none of this hair is going to fall out. So let's clip this up this way here, and this here. So when you, I suggest buying clips like this, or the, what we call them, alligator clips. You know, just a bunch of clips to get the hair out of the way. Thank you for being patient with me. Again, that's why I'm doing more videos, so you can see all the content and see everything, you know, how it's happening real time. All right, so there we go. We're going up to where the hair stops, the longer hair starts. Basically just like a regular undercut and a full disconnection. This is pretty extreme. Pretty extreme. I could have gone, you know, to somebody and had them do kind of maybe like a fade or something, but honestly, I just want to get rid of all of it. To be honest, there we go. I just want to get all this hair off. What I suggest doing is going over, use your hand and just literally like rub your head and just feel for any sort of longer bits, any inconsistencies, and just be very, very thorough. Again, work maybe downwards in some areas throughout the back here, and depending on how low your hairline is, and you can bring this down a bit more. And don't be afraid to go back in on the sides, because there's a whole bunch of hair that I just missed over here. Pull the ear down. You gotta be, you know, even though it's getting rid of all this hair, you gotta be very, very thorough, especially like any sort of, you know, hairs like in the sides here and around the hairline, especially around the ear. You know, there's a lot of times you can easily miss hair if you're doing it yourself. So it's very important you go over it and over it and over it. All right, I'm gonna get rid of, kind of move all this hair out of the way and brush myself off. Let's take the 800 clips out that I have in my hair. So again, yes, this is a system. It's designed to be extremely natural. This is new to me. It's all new to me, this whole process. So let's see what we got. Oh man, it feels so fresh. What do you think, guys? Let me know. Again, I'm going for the Brad Pitt Fury kind of look. All right, let me spin around this way a little so I can see. And yes, unfortunately, there's hairs that I cut from the top, which I was hoping not to get any hairs from up here. There, it's all starting to come out now. Damn it. But that's all right. So right now the hair is probably about down to just past my eyebrow, kind of like the bridge of my nose. That's where this goes, right in through here. So I guess for these types of looks, I mean, all you really can do is do a slick back, or, you know, something like this. But I think for these types of looks, I have to really just do a slick back for the most part. All right, and I need to work on this thing a bit. It's starting to kind of come up a little in the front, but that's all my own stuff I'll take care of. But anyway, guys, let me know what you think. If you think I look better this way and I should keep this, let me know. It's kind of too late now because I'm stuck with this. I've been growing my hair out for like a month and a half, and it, you know, I finally just shaved it off. I needed to. I needed to feel clean. I needed to feel just, oh man. I needed to feel a little more fresh. So here's it from this side, from the back. You know, I don't know. I think it's all right. It's not too bad. I think it's pretty extreme. It's definitely an extreme haircut, but you know, it is what it is. So let me know in the comments below, guys, what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And Monday through Friday at 4 p.m. Eastern Time, you're going to see a video from me. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you next time for more videos with the Salon Guy.